Hello YouTube. Why is there a mess of cables? Well, I'm about to show you something. I've been looking on eBay and there are all these like iPod to Bang & Olufsen adapters, which is kind of misleading. It's not proprietary at all. Here you have some RCA cables. It's a video cable, but I'm only using the audio ones. Now, that's your typical one. The one I have here is hooked up to, your standard headphone jack. That converts to RCA. Then I have a converter here that converts RCA to 5-pin DIN, which is exactly what you need for line in. You can use either 5 or 7-pin DINs on these Bang & Olufsen systems. The 2 extra pins on the 7-pin allow the system to control whatever you connect to it, which is typically Bang & Olufsen equipment itself. But the CD is basically a line-in input, so as long as you have a 5-pin DIN to RCA converter, then you convert the RCA back to headphone jack. You can take your iPod or any line-level source, really. It can be a computer, it can be an iPod, it can be a computer, it can be an iPod, or anything. Anything that's a line source. Alright. Now we change this to CD. And let's see. What the hell? I'll leave it on Steely Dan. Listen to this. There you go. The old meets the new. You have your touchscreen device with a touch interface receiver. Very interesting. The only thing you can't do is control the iPod with the remote. Now, if it could do that, that'd be pretty cool, but that's pretty much impossible. But there you go. You don't need a bunch of expensive crap to convert your iPod to Bang & Olufsen. All you really need that's vital is the 5-pin DIN to RCA. It's a male 5-pin DIN to female RCA connectors. Then you just, have your standard RCA cables, convert that down to headphone jack, and you can plug anything that takes a headphone jack in. I use an iPod as an example, but it could be a computer. Now, personally, if I had a computer here, I would plug the computer into this because you get great sound from the computer over an iPod, most likely, because the sound cards in iPods are tiny. You can get a big PCI sound card for a computer that'll sound a lot better than this tiny thing. So, oh yeah, big time. And I just thought I'd show you that you don't really have to buy expensive equipment to get an iPod working on these things. I've just seen a lot of stuff on eBay lately, and I thought I'd make a video on it because it's just, the claims are a little ridiculous in my opinion. And there you go. Have a good one, everybody. Ciao.